We're going to move with the third color to complete this watermelon slice. Once you have cut and warmed up this color, we are ready to start piping. And the first line we're going to pipe on this watermelon slice is the bottom part of it. And then we're going to trace right near the white icing that we just finished piping. As you see, I'm not piping too close to it or touching it because I don't want to create any bleed between these two colors. Once we finish piping the lines, that it does kind of like replicate a rainbow, we're going to pipe some lines in the centers. What this does is help prevent any craters once you finish piping and filling in that red icing on this area that we are just working in. As you see, we're working right where we just finished adding that line. And as you see, all I'm doing right now, once I pipe some icing, all I'm doing is blending those two colors just to make sure there is no gap between the red and the white, but also keeping in mind, being very careful that you still see that white color there. And now just have fun by filling in all the cookie that is right now almost naked. We're going to allow the watermelon slice in the rim to dry. So what we're going to do is fill in the watermelon drink on this cookie. So we're going to do the same thing. Always start in the borders. Add that all around the edge of the cookie. And we're going to fill this in, but always remember to do those little lines, which is optional, but it does help with avoiding any craters. And just have fun filling in this cookie. For us to move on with our mini cookies, and we're going to start with the basket, which is the set for the popcorn. And you're going to be seeing this the way it's shaped on the top. On the top, we're going to take that as an advantage. So anytime you see the curve going down, that's where we're going to use that to create a line. So we're going to be using two colors total. We're going to be using white and red. We are starting to do 2 lines in red, and then we are going to do 3 lines in white. So we did the lines, now we just have to seal them. We did the curves on the top and then make sure that it was flat in the bottom, and then we're going to go ahead and fill those in. Now, moving on to the popcorn, I'm going to do this once and you can just repeat it on both since you're going to have two cookies, two mini cookies. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit of the beige color, and then we're just going to trace in the borders the white color, and then we're going to fill that in with the white color as well. We just wanted to have like that two-tone that you get from the popcorn itself. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and flood that in once we finish with the white. And then with the toothpick or scribe tool, we're going to blend that in. Every pie needs a little bit of whipped cream on top. So we're adding this piece by piece because you wanted to make sure that first one sets, then we put another layer. So we just keep going back and forth. And then now on the drink, we're putting this rim. And as soon as it's still wet, we're going to add the sprinkles right on top. These are the sprinkles that you're going to be getting on your kit, which has the same colors of all the icings you received. And you can just continue adding more and more, and then just remove the excess and just fix it in to make sure that they're all covered on in the icing. So this is it. We just finished decorating all of these cookies for the summer. Are you guys ready? And I hope this was truly inspiring and make you think already, prepare for the summer. I was so excited for you being a part of it, subscribing this theme box. As you know, there's going to be 2 more coming for 2023. I hope you enjoy how the treats came out and you became a cookie artist. So that is an applaud to you because you guys did it. We finally did it. We completed every cookie here together. So guys, thank you for selecting this subscription box for the summer, and I thank you for being part of Sweet Cookie Journey. And until the next video, bye.